Creating faceless videos is now easier than ever before, and channels like Statue of Wisdom are making thousands of dollars every month by creating these simple self-improvement videos. And you would be shocked to know that they are using free AI tools make these videos. But getting views on these types of videos can be very challenging in the beginning. Even this channel was getting few thousand views in their starting videos. But the only reason that they have more than 150,000 subscribers is because they didn't give up. If this channel gave up in the beginning, they wouldn't be making thousands of dollars every month. So today, in this video, I will teach you how to make these amazing videos. So don't skip any part of this video, or you won't understand the psychology behind these videos going viral. And by the end of this video, you will become a money-making machine with all the knowledge required to start your own YouTube channel. But before starting, let me show you a small sample of what I was able to create.
Imagine Thomas Edison, who failed over 1,000 times before finally inventing the light bulb, or J.K. Rowling, who faced numerous rejections before Harry Potter.
By writing a good script, your chances of going viral on YouTube increase by 60%. But writing a good script with the help of AI can be very difficult. If you don't know the right way to command ChatGPT, you will probably end up getting a boring script. So after hours of research, I wrote a perfect prompt that will help you to get good enough scripts in just one click. I will simply paste this prompt in ChatGPT and it will provide me with a good script. But if the script is not engaging or has some issues, you can regenerate the script or tell ChatGPT what you exactly want, and many motivational channels that are going viral lately use the same method to get their scripts. Lately, I'm having a lot of comments of people saying, teach us how to make clickable thumbnails using AI. So again, we will provide ChatGPT another command to get thumbnail prompt, and in the end of this video, we will create thumbnail using a best free AI tool. Now for our last part, in ChatGPT, we want to get image prompts. I also made a specific prompt for that so that you can have everything in your hands in matter of clicks. Don't forget to take all the prompts from the description, and here our prompts for images are also ready. Now for voiceover, copy up the script and paste it in 11 labs, then go to voices and then go to voice library. And now I want you to take your time here and pick yourself a good voice, because you will be using this voice for your videos for a long time, because changing voice again and again is the main problem of your videos not getting views. After finally selecting a voice, simply generate your voiceover. Then for images, we have many free options, but none can make images like Bing Copilot, because Copilot used DALL-E 3 to make images, and DALL-E is by far the best image creator out there. And the best part, Copilot is free and has no limitations of how many images you can create per day. So we will just start with a nice chat, then simply copy up your first prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. And don't forget to write realistic style and 4K for better quality images, because Copilot don't have image models like other tools. So whatever you write, Copilot will make image in that style. Here you can see how good the image quality and detail is. But there is one problem: the images made by Copilot are in 1:1. So to expand images, go to Adobe Firefly and select this generative fill option, then simply upload your image here and then from the left side. Click on expand, and from here select 16:9 and simply click on generate, and it will automatically expand the image background for you. Now you can select which image you like and then click on keep and simply click on download. Now if we open the image, everything is extremely good, but this watermark down there is unwanted, so let's wash it out. We will use PickWish for this purpose. Simply choose this remove unwanted objects option and then just upload your image. Then you can zoom in and out the image from here and use this hand tool to move the image. After that, click on the brush icon and simply paint over the watermark just like this. And then simply click on remove and it will automatically erase the watermark. Now if you take a look, the watermark has been removed without any effect on the image. Now simply click on save and save the image. Guys, I won't suggest you to animate your images using any third-party tool. The only reason is I have tried all the tools and none of them allow commercial use on free plan. And then there is a watermark. And besides everything, the animation quality is not that good. So I will tell you how you can animate your images much better by yourself in CapCut. Simply import all your materials and then just place the voiceover on the timeline. I will take only a little voiceover because as you can see, the voiceover is very long and it will take a lot of time to edit a whole video. Then guys, don't forget to remove the empty spaces, because the audience that mostly watches shorts have a very high dopamine level. And if your voiceover has silence every every 2 seconds, this can really irritate them, and they may quit the video, and this will be a bad signal to YouTube algorithm. Then carefully listen to the voiceover and place each clip at the right place. This process is very important, so you better take your time here. Then let me show you some tricks to animate your clips. First of all, you can animate your clips in one click using CapCut's built-in animations. You can choose from a lot of free animations, and if you want to animate your clips using keyframes, then simply come at the start of a clip and add a keyframe on position and scale, then go to the end of the clip and simply increase the clip size by 5 to 10 points, and a keyframe will be automatically added. Then if we play the clip, you can see this smooth zoom in animation, which seems very engaging now on the next clip. Again, place a keyframe in Start Now in the first keyframe, increase the size by 5 to 10, and then go to the end of the clip and reduce the size back to 100. And now if we play from first clip, you will see that first, this clip slowly zooms in, and then next clip comes which slowly zooms out, which looks very engaging. Now let's make things more crispy. Come back to the first clip. Then go right on the last keyframe of the first clip and slightly increase rotation by 3 to 4 points. Now if you see the clip, it is zooming in as well as rotating slightly. Isn't it better than image to video tools? Now go to transitions and take your time and add different transitions between your clips. For instance, I will add this black fade animation on each clip. Now guys, I want to tell you that never forget to add effects on your clips. For example, I will add this cinematic open effect in starting of your video and then cinematic closing at the end of your video. This will give a cinematic and professional vibe to the overall video. And then there are spark effect and dust effect, which can really help in boosting the audience retention. Now let's go towards captions, and we will generate auto captions in CapCut. When the captions are ready, simply choose a template animation for captions, and to further add your own unique twist. I would recommend you to change the font of the captions as well as the color of the captions. And that's it. Now at final, we will add a simple copyright-free background music. You can download either from YouTube or Pixabay. But if you do download from YouTube, then don't forget to give credits to that channel in your video's description. And our video is ready. Let's watch it.
Imagine Thomas Edison, who failed over 1,000 times before finally inventing the light bulb, or J.K. Rowling, who faced numerous rejections before Harry Potter became a global phenomenon. These stories remind us that perseverance is key to success. Self-improvement begins with the belief that we can change and grow no matter where we start. It's about setting clear, achievable goals and taking small, consistent steps towards them.
See how engaging the video can be if you animate it by yourselves. Now let's head to the most interesting part, thumbnail. For thumbnail creation, we will use Ideogram AI. Simply paste the thumbnail prompt we generated earlier in ChatGPT, and if you click on these 3 dots, you can see that there are a lot of presets. For example, if you want cinematic image, you can select cinematic preset and so on for other presets. Then simply choose 16:9 and click on Generate. It will take a few seconds, and you can see the images are ready. You can see the quality by yourself, but in case you don't like the thumbnail, you can either regenerate it or do a little changes in the prompt if needed and then generate again, but the thumbnail quality in Ideogram would be remarkable. And it is also free to use. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and click on the video popping on the screen to increase your editing skills and edit videos better.